What are security booths used for? Security booths serve as guard stations, access control points, and surveillance hubs to enhance safety at any facility.
Can security guard shacks be customized? Yes, we offer factory assembled guard shacks with completely custom layouts, ballistic protection, HVAC, restrooms, and any other safety feature that you can actually think of. You think it, you dream it, we create it.
How are prefabricated security booths installed? Our security booths are installed fully assembled. They can come delivered fully ready to be offloaded off the truck, or they can come in modular sections for quick and efficient on-site setup.
If you are looking to enhance any of your security systems around your facility, please give us a call anytime and we can get you a quote within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you.